And should be coming up shortly. Alright, yeah, it says I'm live now, so. You followed the link? Chi? Hello? Chi? You there? Can you hear me, Chi? Chi? Hello? Chi, can you hear me? Chi? 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 Can you hear me, Chi? Hello? Can you hear me, Chi?
Hello?
Hey, I'm trying to talk to you on video chat and you're not responding at all.
Oh, what the hell? Let's see.
I can hear you perfectly fine, but I've been like saying, "Chi, can you hear me?" for the past like couple minutes.
Dude, for
Did
some
you
reason.
connect to my live stream?
Yeah, you did. I did.
Well, if you have the sound on that, then you can hear me through that.
Oh. So you can hear me, right?
Yeah.
I'll call you again and see if it works again.
Okay.
Earlier it was working.
Yeah, I think it might just be because I'm live streaming, but okay.
All right. Alright, I can hear you now.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're connected to live stream? So
Live stream. How do I get to there?
I sent you a link.
Is it gonna be on the?
It's in this
It's
video
gonna be
chat.
on.
You just go to the text in the video chat.
All message. There's nothing in the message.
Oh, because you probably just left and came back. Here, I'll copy and paste it again.
Alright, got it.
So you see the desktop then?
Yeah, desktop with the dragon.
Yep. Okay. So now we got that figured out. Now we want to go about installing Kali Linux, or not Kali Linux, the Kismet. So I got a video up.
Hey, try talking again.
Hello?
Okay. Just making sure.
Um,
So you say you're gonna run it on Linux, right?
yep. Version 3 root loss compile version package version. Okay, so we're gonna open up a terminal. Then we are going to type in get. You might have a little bit of lag, well, delay in the stream, but it should pop up. I think it's just like a 5-second delay. So apt get install
Did you
Kismet.
open anything up?
Yeah, I opened up root Kali. It's just a terminal.
Dragon.
So now we got that figured out. Now I'm going to go about installing Kali Linux, or not Kali Linux, the Kismet. So I got a video up. So,
Hey, try talking again.
yeah. Hello?
Okay. Hold up. that's the light thing.
There's a little delay. So then you should get to a part where it says, well, where it shows that I started the installation. So I already took a screenshot of that, and now I'm just opening up a Word file. I'm just gonna paste that in there. Well, delay in the stream, but it should pop up. I think it's just like 5-second delay. Probably just gonna. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab another screen cap.
Hold up.
Paste that in there. Alright, so then that is done. It just installed the entire package.
Okay, so you do the sudo root capture main desktop file.
Alright, so then that is done. It just installed the entire package.
Okay, so you do the sudo root capture main.
I like how it takes your voice as part of the stream as well. That's kind of funny.
Yeah, it is.
Could start our own live streaming game channel. Okay. So now it's installed. Now we want to go to configuration. We're now ready to launch the tool. Choose. Okay. So now it's installed. Now we want to go to configuration. So then, I mean, if you want to follow along with me, I can link you to the website I'm going off of. I'll copy and paste it into the.
Is it the? I think I do have the website. Like it's like a.
I just sent the link to you in the video chat. Uh,
Is it the? I think I do have the website.
I just sent the link to you in the video chat. Is it, I think I do have the website. Okay. Then we're going to launch, or we're going to configure it.
Oh, which number are you on right now?
It's not numbered for me.
For me, it is.
That's weird.
Is the? Let's see. Oh, which number are you on right now?
It's not numbered for me.
For me, it is. Is the? Let's see. Which number are you on? Let's see. Open Kismet. Are you just going to do the configuration? Click on configuration.
I mean, I don't think I need to mess with it. I think I can just type Kismet and that should start it up. Yeah. There it is. I mean, I don't think I need to mess with that. I think I can just type Kismet and that should start it up. Yeah.
Okay.
There it is. Oh, hold on, I should. The thing that's been bothering me is I should mute the live stream because that way it won't do that annoying echo. Oh, well, it is muted for me. Oh no, it's just coming off of you. So
It's
like
just coming out from me.
yeah, so it's
Yeah.
the video chat. It's just being it. I mean, you should probably just mute the live stream because it's probably just better if you just directly.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, that way it doesn't echo as much. Okay, so that's
So
what Kismet looks like. As I'm pretty sure the live stream shows it. Yeah, so installation was pretty easy, but
yeah, it did look pretty easy. You did it. I hope it's. I know Wireshark is a lot easier than
yeah.
this one, probably, right?
Mandatory setting to launch Kismet is to indicate your wireless card. Oh, okay, so I have to indicate my wireless card and its physical interface in the Kismet.conf file. Okay, so I gotta go back. I should be able to just actually exit out of that, reopen it, new terminal. So if I do /etc /kismet /kismet _UI .conf, and that should open up. Oh shit. That should be right.
see. Kismet. No such files in directory.
I don't even. What I could do is. Yeah, it is there. So.
So did you get it then? Kismet.
Oh. uh. Oh, okay. So, there we go. And so then from there, you want to find source equals wireless.
So what are you doing right now?
If you're looking at that same web page, it says the two things you have to change is the indicate your wireless card and its physical interface. So then I'm trying to find the line of code that it shows, which is source equals, and then
Is that the number 3 or number 2?
again, I don't have numbers, so I wouldn't know.
Oh, it says like the remote access wireless manufactured device GUI interface logs.
Are you sure you're on the right part?
Yeah, that's the one that you sent me. It's the open maniac.com Kismet config, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or are you in the protocol?
No, I'm in the configuration part. Where is it?
Okay, you see the picture, right? Everything goes fine. The pop-up opens Kismet that interface. Kismet interface.
Nope, don't see that. Are you on the right page, the configuration page?
Yeah, I am. I just clicked on it. I see the hashtag IWconfig, hashtag Kismet, the protocols, I think, package,
It should say,
installation.
after having installed Kismet successfully, we are now ready to launch the tool. That should be the first line that you see on the page.
Nope.
Then you're
It's
not on the right page.
that's weird.
Um,
This is weird. Okay, so for the page that you sent me, right?
mm-hmm.
There's like what is Kismet screenshot prerequisite installation configuration on top of it. Did you
Yeah,
see that?
you click on the configuration one.
Yeah, I did that, but it's after having installed Kismet successfully, we are now ready to launch the tool.
Yep.
So if you choose the Kismet, so where are you at then? Right now?
I'm trying to find a line of code that says source equals wireless underscore source.
Source equal wireless source wireless network interface open description.
Mm.
So wireless card type. PW20. Did you stop the live stream?
No?
No? Okay.
Yeah. So it has to be in there then. Is the wireless card type and can be known with the steps that can. I'm going to open another terminal. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so that's what we want, is the Pro /1000 network driver.
The Intel R Pro. Yeah. Oh. So that's gonna be our wireless source then.
Yeah, something like that. So see, it's kind of weird because due to the fact that it's set up in a virtual machine and not on Windows, does kind of make it awkward due to the fact that
It's
it's
not gonna
not
come out.
it's not directly talking
Yeah.
to the network, because it's going through my computer essentially, and then my computer is bridging the gap. Um, curious if I go to you know this is why implementation sucks. Da, 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 da. Okay. So let's try to get back in here. So I'm just looking at a different site right now. I'll link you to it if it works out. So user. Except there's no source assigned for that. How'd you do on the first quiz in the class?
The what?
First quiz in the class.
First what?
Quiz in the class.
Oh, you're checking your grades?
No, I'm just asking how'd you do?
Got I think a 10.
Better than me.
Yeah, she was bashing on me, saying that I did pretty bad on it.
Really?
Yeah.
That's kind of funny. Because isn't that still like B or
That's a
C?
B.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a B. I think she would just give me time because I didn't finish the second project.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so There's so much stuff you gotta learn.
I mean, once we get set up, then we're pretty much done. Because then the rest you can just do, you can just talk about in your research. You don't really have to talk about the actual implementation part of it. But it's just getting it set up can be a pain sometimes.
So you're gonna do the writing for the setting up too, then, right? Or am I doing that?
Well, like I'll be describing all of my pictures essentially, and just walking walking the
Like,
reader through like what my implementation is. So your part for Kismet is solely just research, just the like topics essentially that I sent you. If you can
yeah.
answer all of those, then you should be fine. Um, see, it says that there should be a place where I can do a Suid user, but I'm not seeing that.
So are you still finding the wireless thing?
Because I'll look up source, and the only places where it mentions source are those NC source sections, which should show up for you shortly. So I'm guessing that that's what I have to change.
Source interface options. So you're not supposed to type up the whole thing then for the source equal wireless underscore source wireless underscore network underscore interface thing.
No, you're supposed to find it in the code that's already there.
That's weird. Are we supposed to add one, or we're supposed to, it's already supposed to be there?
It's already supposed to be there. I can just go back into
Network into.
Kismet server. No.
So the D message print or control the kernel ring buffer doesn't work then
Do you know
when
what
you
that
were trying.
does?
Well, that's gonna give you like the wireless IP at the wireless the wireless card for some reason.
How would you do that if you don't have direct access to the card?
Okay, Pro Network. iSpec. Also PCI devices. Okay, that's what you do right here. So how come we got two different wireless card then?
What do you mean?
For the when you did the DMS grep Intel,
Yeah,
isn't our wireless wireless card the IPW 1000, right?
the Pro 1000.
Yeah, Pro 1000.
That's the network connection it's using, but as you can see, it says Etho 0. That means it's an Ethernet connection, not a wireless connection.
Oh, okay. So that's why you said there was no wireless. Okay.
Yeah.
So are you trying to send a packet now then?
No,
Or
I need to figure out how to add a valid source. I need to figure out how to make it so that it's sniffing my current wireless network, essentially.
but we don't
And,
got a wireless.
well, just the network in general. Uh, VMNet 1 and VMNet 8. Try one of those. Yeah, I think it might just be easier to do it through Windows. Just because of that sole reason, and that really bothers me, but that is life. So,
So you're probably just gonna switch to Windows then?
uh, I can whip it up right now. Give me a second. I know the live stream's dead, but I should be able to whip it back up in a second here. Let me just open up a command prompt. Then sources, screen capture. Alright, so command prompt should show up for you.
Are you still on the YouTube live thing then?
Yeah, it should pop up on the YouTube shortly.
Uh, oh man, I closed it. Same one?
Yeah, same one. Okay, so then I'm going to over here, and then so are you ready to lose your will to live? I guess that's what we're gonna do here.
So are you using a different one then compared to?
Yeah, I'll throw up a source of my webpage as well. Screen capture. Let's actually remove that one. Source.
Let's see. I think I might got that one. Not sure. Do
Alright, so nice try
Wi-Fi.
that. Alright. So, get Super in here. Oh shit. Open with new tab. Um, that one. So you should actually be able to follow along as well. And then that way, if for some reason one of our operating systems has any problem with it, then the other person should be able to keep going. Yes. Install for internet. Actually. And the good thing is, if we do it this way, even though the process is longer, we'll be able to take screenshots all along the way.
Yeah, especially since you're recording it already.
Mm-hmm. So, well, my recording isn't actually like saving the video; it's just a live stream. So,
Oh,
um, yeah. So, but I'm just pressing the print screen button and then pasting it into a Word file. So install from internet. Then, oh, you can't even see the pop-up window on your screen. That's funny.
oh no, I can't.
But if you're doing the same thing, then you should. Oh no, you can see it if I slide it over there. Looks like.
Other
Well,
side,
let me see.
the right.
Yeah, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now.
Okay.
Should show up. Yeah, okay. So I guess I'll just try to keep it over there. Um, but you should still be following along, anyways. So then
Yeah,
I
I am.
do another print screen. And then we do next. Uh, oh, okay. So then, yeah, I did that. Select the local package. It doesn't have this option. Oh, I guess I'll just do next. Okay. But I can still. print screen. So, yeah, okay. And then it's going to be a direct connection, so print screen again, get another screenshot in there, get all the screenshots, and click next. Then get another screenshot. Oh, because packages these those. Oh, I guess I just select the first one. So
I think you guys select the first one, probably.
yeah, so delete that last screenshot and paste this one in there. Alright. Print screen of that. Oh, did I miss it? Shoot, yeah, looks like I missed that. Oh. So I have that now. Delete that one. Okay, here comes packages and the installs will take an age. Put your feet up, watch TV all night, and let the downloading begin. Oh boy. Alright, so if I put it back over here, then you should be able to see it.
So he's gonna download all those.
That's what it looks like. Dragging the window back. So then you just click next. Print screen.
You could probably make it bigger to capture all of it. Unless
Nah. Nah. Okay, and then we do a good old next, and now you can see it's starting. Print screen. I don't like my screenshots to be too huge and unmanageable. So apparently this is going to take a while. I don't believe it though. Well, maybe. Because you can see that there's a loading bar like at the top of it that says a
yeah,
percentage, but that keeps resetting, so let me throw this over
unless you go
here.
by the total.
You can't see it.
Uh,
Packages are downloaded, let the installer run. As I said, you'll lose the will to live, so make sure you have some serious catch-up TV to hand. But yeah, this is why you should definitely be doing this as well. Just so that if something goes wrong on one of ours, then we aren't completely screwed.
okay then, I'll do it.
Oh, I think mine's done.
Already?
Yeah.
So fast.
Well, I have fast internet, so. Got 60 megs. Alright.
Print screen it.
Yeah, I gotta find it, I guess. Sigwin terminal. Yeah, I guess I should do another capture. Because you can't see that. Yeah, no, you can't. So. Oh, wait, no. Yeah, you
I
can see
saw
it.
it.
Okay,
You
yep.
just closed it.
Okay,
But
good. So apparently anything that goes over my web browser, you can see that. That's interesting. Alright, so then it says that the next thing I need to do is type in lib n cures. Command I found.
Well,
Or maybe it already downloaded? I'll be right back.
but
Alright, I'm back.
all right.
So you caught up on me?
No, not yet.
Yeah, I think I can actually just skip to this. So if I just do... Because essentially what Cygwin is just like a Linux emulator almost. So make...
Libs
What?
for the libs. Step 3.
Oh, for the... for me it just installed all of it at the same time. Because if you notice in step 5 is to open Cygwin. So if you're able to open Cygwin, I think that it already did all that.
So you could open Sigwin, right?
Yeah, that's what this window is. That should show up for you in a second. Dash L. Windows, users, and groups to make the root account administrator account. I should honestly just I'll make life a little bit easier for both of us. Readjust my windows for the stream.
I still can't see it.
Yeah, I know. I will add that source capture. Shoot, what was the next step? Source capture. There we go. Is that better?
All I see is just black for the bottom screen.
You see it now?
I see the one on the right. Okay. Left one.
Okay, so into user cameras. So I'll do next. Oh. Okay, so we want to do that command, but we got to do it in a we got to do it as a admin user. So you want to, I mean, you won't be able to see it, but you want to search command prompt and then run as administrator.
For yours, right? For
Well, for both of ours to do this step. Otherwise, it won't let you add users. Okay, good. You can see that again. Awesome. That makes my life easier. So then, if I type that again, such goal user group root.
you already print the screen, right, Chris?
For what?
For all the stuff, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay, since you already got it, I'm just gonna go through it. Mine's taking long as hell to download.
I'll
Oh,
probably keep the
finished.
installer around. Okay, so here we go. Next, you'll need to add several packages to Cygwin. You can add them all in one fell swoop. Just open a command prompt in Windows, navigate to the folder where the Cygwin installer is located, and run the following command. So, I'm assuming you just picked the default application. If you did, then then the command that you see in my live stream should work.
Let's see.
Um, oh. So, and first you gotta change directory though. So if you change directory to that, now you're in the right folder, and now that command should work. Copy this.
Okay, are we supposed to have 2 command prompts up, right? Or one should be fine?
Well, the bottom one is Cygwin, the top one is your actual Windows command prompt.
It's like 164. Okay.
Oh, so then we gotta go to downloads, and so we got this.
So for the Zig one, we're supposed to do the to make root. That's not it.
There we go. So I can walk you through the process. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. So that exe you installed from the Cygwin website, the
Yeah.
little package, you need to move that into your Cygwin 64 folder. So that should be
Where is that at?
should be C drive and then Cygwin 64. So it should be just on your C drive. So once you
Is that a main root command then?
if you look at the live stream, if you see
I can't see anything. Oh, I paused it. My bad. That's why.
so if you see that directory at that path at the top, it should be the same for you.
Can you go back? Start over again.
You take this file, which should be in your downloads, the setup-x86 _64, and all you gotta do is drag it into the adapter that you currently see on the screen, the Sigwin64 folder.
A Sigwin 64 folder. Where is that at? That's not it. Oh, drag it into it?
Yep.
The Sigwin 6. Let's see. Drag it into. Okay.
So that's
Okay.
all. Ready? So then once you've done that, you need to change. Well, you need to open up a command prompt as an administrator. So you gotta right click on the command prompt, like the little icon, and then select open as administrator. And then when you do that, then you have to change the directory to that Sigwin64 folder, and then you'll have to put in a command that'll copy. I'll copy it into the video chat.
Hold on. I'm still trying to. I'm still on step 5 trying to make the password and stuff.
You can't do that until you install these packages.
Oh, you can't?
This is step 2, 3, and 4.
Step 2, 3, 4. Okay,
Because
after
you.
that, then I go into my administrator, right? Command prompt.
Hold on a sec. What was that?
I go into the command prompt, right?
As an administrator, otherwise you won't be able to do it.
This is weird. Okay. So I gotta make the local group and administrator, right?
Not until you've installed the packages.
So which step are we on then?
2, 3, and 4, you have to install the packages. I just finished that, but you still need to do that.
Install. Yeah, the for step 5, create a Windows user group.
You're not
To
on
make,
step 5, though. You only downloaded the packages. You haven't installed them yet on your computer.
so how am I supposed to do that?
There's a link to a website. Just follow their easy steps. It's just um, step 1 and 2.
Step 1, step 2. Where did you get that right there? The
Just found it.
download?
What?
Where did you get that? The web page,
What webpage?
the one you just pulled up earlier, or did you just pull up a different one?
The one I'm looking at right now?
Yeah.
That's the link I sent you in the video chat.
Ew. I forgot all about the video chat. Damn it. Okay. Install. Okay, so
Let me see.
hey Chris,
Hey, Chi.
I'm
What's
having
up?
trouble trying to get into the command prompt. Did we just go CD all the way back? Change directory all the way back is
What?
so. How are you supposed to change the directory to towards the Zig one?
You
Is it
press.
CD? Because right now I'm on my main user right now, and I'm trying to get into the install Zig one. Step 2.
Should be that.
Damn it. Hey, I'll be back. Hold up.
Hmm. Oh.
This is so weird.
I mean, the instructions spell it out pretty easily. Shouldn't be too hard.
Did you finish installing it already?
Yeah. I'm just configuring
Yeah.
GCC right now.
Did you reinstall Zigwin?
No, didn't have to.
Okay. Hey Chris, I forgot how you supposed to go towards the directory of it. It's CD, right?
In
You
the
changed
tech,
into it?
it's in the video chat.
That's what I just wrote. But it keeps on saying differently. Hey Chris,
Yep.
for did you get the hand installation over to elevated child process
What are you talking about? What step are you on?
after I wrote that code?
What code? You gotta be more specific.
The setup dash x86 underscore 64 dot exe
Mm-hmm.
dash qp. I wrote all that, and that's what I wrote right here. Hand installation over to elevated child process. Get GCC managed.
Let's see. Nope, doesn't give me any error whatsoever. It just started the install. Sounds like a privilege issue, and sounds like you might have not installed it on a administrator command line, so you might want to double check that you did that.
I am on command though.
Are you on command line as an administrator though? Because if you're not going to have the same privileges.
So it's gonna be like under my name then?
What?
Okay, this is so weird.
When you're
Cause
about
I'm
to
doing.
open your command prompt, you right click it and then you say open as administrator. If you don't do that, it won't open as administrator.
Oh, I didn't do that.
Yeah, then that is your problem. Hence why I stress you need to open it as administrator.
Finance administrator, yes. CD C dot. Hey Chris, so did you get the exact same thing as what you got? They showed you
What do you mean? What's
on
that?
the like for step two. Did you get the same thing as it, or different?
What do you mean?
Because I'm getting different from what the picture's showing. Because
Um, when you install step 2, it should show. You looking at my live stream?
hold up. Damn it, where is it?
The bottom left screen
Yeah,
is my
bottom
Sigwin.
left.
Yeah, and you see that like bar that says 100%. That's what should show when you have it when you installed it.
Okay, so that's what it shows. Okay, then I just gotta look at my What did you write for the Zigwin terminal command line
What do you mean?
to get to where you're at right there? Set.
Yeah, be more specific.
Okay, so after I got like what you showed. I got like what showed on top of the Zigwin command line. Then what do I got to do next after? Do I got to open Zigwin.bat in the Zigwin install folder?
Yep, just follow the steps that shows on that website.
Either from the start menu or by running. Where is that then?
Be right back.
Yep. Damn. Sorry, Chris. I'm taking forever. Battery is running low. Ready?
Still there?
Yeah, I am.
Alrighty.
Okay, I got what you told me to do.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm just building the subdirectory name.
Okay.
So after you follow the thing, do you have to do the tar xf gcc -4.9.2 tar.gz
Yep.
after that?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not letting me. That's okay. Let's see what you did.
What do you mean it's not letting you do it?
Okay, so for after I got that thing, after I was done loading 100%, right?
Mm-hmm.
And there's like this extra line for So the first thing I did was the $W get http ftpmirror.gnu.org. I wrote the top line of that one. Do I gotta write the bottom line of that one too?
What do you mean?
For the Wi-Fi hacking, the page that you just for the step 2,
What bottom line?
the tar x f gcc
That's in
minus
step
four
three,
point
not
nine
step
point
two.
two. Which one?
That's in step three, not step two.
Yeah, step 2. Yeah, step 3. My bad. Because I did the top line.
Yeah, the
That
second
one
line.
worked.
The second line is supposed to create a subdirectory.
Yeah, but it's not letting me do it though. So I don't know why. Did it let you do it?
I don't know. Hmm. It's because instead of just XF, you have to do XZVF.
XZBF.
Yep. That should do it.
XZBF.
If you look on the stream, you should be able to see something like what mine's doing right now.
Yep. I see what you did. XCB. XZBF. ECC. 4.2 GC. It's still not letting me do it.
I'll print my command. I mean, I'm assuming you didn't do the newest one. You probably did 4.9 or whatever it says on there. So you're gonna have to change
Yeah.
that.
So I gotta rechange it again then?
But no, I'll hold on. So run that command, but just change the numbers to whatever edition you have. Which, if it's
Yeah,
4.9,
the
just change it
4,
to 4.9.
4.9.2.
Uh
Sign ZVF. X CC.
Mine's still going.
Yeah, it says it'll take several minutes. So, TR. Jeezy. Ah, it's not running at all. What the hell?
Here, I will personally write it for what it should be for you. If that doesn't work, then I don't know what will. Otherwise, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to download the 7.2.0 version. Which wouldn't be that hard. I was kind of interested to see how far you'd get, though, with that version.
This is BS. I follow what Eric did. Let's see.
Did that command work for you?
No, it's just when I press enter, it just goes straight to the next line on the bottom.
So you copy and pasted that last command I put in the chat, right?
Well, I can't copy and paste it. I just wrote it out.
You should be able to copy and paste it.
Oh yeah, I could.
So just copy it and then paste it in.
Dude, it's acting up. What the hell?
Still didn't work? Okay, well then I will send you a link to the newest version. So essentially, type that command in. It'll give you 7.2.0.
So that's the newest version?
Yep. And then when you're done with that, then, I mean, I already put this in the chat, but then you type in that command. And that's exactly what I did. So if that doesn't work for you, then you got something seriously wrong with your shit.
Is it still running?
Yeah.
Huh.
So I figured I might as well play a game on my phone while I wait. Oh, and now it's done. Alright. Okay, so now I should be able to run these commands, and now they should work properly. Manage directory, and then yes, and it works now. Awesome. Actually,
Okay, try this again.
oh, there it is. Okay. So,
Okay,
you get started?
running again. Yeah, I just closed down Sigwinning terminal. Then I just be doing what it is.
So now I can do
That
make.
works.
Uh,
It's XZF right?
what?
Tar X. Is it Tar XZVF?
It's in the video chat.
Now it works. So did you make the subdirectory already then?
Yeah.
Download install this GCC. Let's see what you're doing right now. Oh, did you re-download 7.20 then?
No. Oh.
Wow, still running.
Well, I hope yours turns out better than mine did.
Why?
Well, if you look on my page, I'm getting a make error, which I have no idea how to fix it.
We'll see if it does.
Yeah, that's weird because they do it the exact same way here on a whole different site as well.
So did you use the 7.20 then as your
7.2.0, yeah.
I did the 4.9.2, so see how that one works.
Oh, so you did get that one finally working then?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, good.
Oh, they weren't kidding when they said lay back.
Yeah.
So much downloading.
Yeah, I'm redoing it.
Yeah, it's not that long. Oh, the long part is though, it's just making the
Oh,
direct.
we got permission denied on something.
Weren't you administrator though?
Not in my Sigwin,
Oh,
so that could be the problem right there. I don't think I was on Sigwin. Yeah, I definitely wasn't. Alright. That could be my problem there. It was essentially after that, you have to run a make command, and the make
yeah.
command
The
just.
after you build the MKDR, build
Yeah.
GCC,
Are you.
and
Oh, you just run the make command?
well, not yet.
Oh, okay.
Well, I'm running the tar XZVF thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, so here's the scripts and command line pass to the configure.
Mm.
Option E, once the GC install will run the G++ and make it easy for the GC
I
compiler to
definitely
close.
did not think that this would be taking as long as it is. That's for sure.
Nah, I think you would have finished long ago. I'm just slowing you down.
No, I don't think so.
Therefore,
No, it still
will
says
process on
I have
default
permission
output.
denied on something, and that's like really bothering me now. Well, let's see what make does. Yeah, make still doesn't work.
Changing permission denied. What did you write?
Yeah, so you got the same thing.
Well, I haven't got there yet. I'm still down with that long thing,
Yeah.
but I'll see. I'll see if mine works.
Oh, you were looking at mine. Gotcha.
I'll be back. Wow, it's still running. Did you figure it out yet?
Nope.
See if my run's right.
That would be the hope.
Hope the other one doesn't take this long.
You mean the other 5?
The other. Okay. Woo, finally done. Okay.
So where's... Because this is just GCC, then we have to do... Oh, no. No, that's just all one thing.
So do I just do the MKDR build GCC then?
MKDR.
Yeah.
Hold on a sec. Where are you
Did
right
you do
now?
that?
Oh, you just finished your tar XZVF
Yeah.
thing or whatever? Yeah, so then type it in exactly how it has shown there. Or just copy and paste it if you can.
Yeah, I'm just copying and pasting right now.
That's the best way, because that minimizes your chance of error.
Copy. Paste. Oh. So you did make your directory, right?
Yes.
Okay, I got that done. So what do I gotta do next then?
You change directory to the one that you just made, and then you enter in that big command, which
Which
what?
which big command?
The // /gcc -4.9.2 /configure dash dash program dash suffix equals dash 4.9 dot. You don't see that?
Yeah, I just did that.
Oh, and did it like throw a bunch of stuff on the screen?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, okay. Then when you're done with that, then you go down to, you should be able to just type in make and then space dash J4.
Make space dash J4.
Mm-hmm.
There's no target specified and no make file found.
Yep, mine
Stop.
says the exact same thing. So I'm thinking it's just something wrong with the command, and so we got to figure out what the right command is for it.
Unless we're supposed to do the step for the description command line. No, that's only options. Figure. Disable share. Ooh, I messed up. Damn it.
I'm trying a different command to see if that makes a difference.
Yeah, I did. It didn't make anything. I tried the J. Didn't work. Jeez. Okay, that's not gonna work. You re-downloading it?
Yeah.
Which version?
I'm not re-downloading. I'm just reopening that tar file again. I'm trying a slightly different method that has an extra step to see if that makes a difference. I am not looking forward to doing this all over again with Snort.
I think Snart should be a lot more. Isn't it Snart a lot more like Wireshark? From what I heard, right?
We'll see. I remember one of my interns I shared a room with over the summer. Half of their project was Snort, and they were just having a terrible time with it.
Oh man.
Well, you don't have to do anything to Snort. That's the one I've been assigned. So you lucked out, sir.
I just hope it runs well when I run it.
Oh, are you redoing your tar as well?
Yeah. Did you use the same 7.0?
7.2.0, yeah. Just there's an
Yeah.
extra step that this other guide has that I'm gonna try.
Uh, what you did was you copied off from the thing, right?
Yeah.
After you made the M
Um,
contribution, CD contribution. What is that? F.
I'm
Oh,
trying to think of. I probably won't even be able to get back to working on this project that much until Friday, which sucks.
yeah, I'm not gonna wait. I'm gonna just do it right now
Oh
because
yeah, no, that's a good idea. Which I'm obviously gonna be doing it until I go to bed tonight, but just saying tomorrow.
I can't do last the last
Yeah,
minute one. The last minute one, I didn't work out for me. So
no, yeah, you should absolutely be doing it as soon as you can. It's just I have class all day tomorrow, and then Thursday is the day before my midterm for my C sharp programming class. So I'm just gonna be studying all day that day.
oh, that's easy.
Ah,
Should be
no,
easy.
no, it's not. I got a 5 out of 20 on the last one, so
Really?
yep.
She didn't like your coding, huh?
Hmm.
She's picky, dude. But you've been acing all your projects, right?
To my
Have you?
knowledge, but yeah, it's just this week and next week. Like next week until Wednesday next week, it's just gonna be
Did you
pain in
wanna
the ass.
study for Cremani's class 465 for the midterm?
Mm, no, I think I got a pretty good handle on it.
I'm missing some notes, so
Mm. Well,
uh,
based on the last quiz, every single one of the questions you could find an answer for on her PowerPoints. So apparently notes are completely useless.
no, her she mostly took it off from her notes.
No, she didn't. I literally
Yes,
cited every single PowerPoint slide that every single one of the questions was from.
for me, I looked at the notes. I didn't look at the PowerPoint at all. Cause the first one was the first question. I was studying it. I knew I was gonna be on it. All right, yours is done. Let's see if yours work.
Let me send this to you first. Share. Word document. Where's my boo-boo? No, stop it, stop it, stop it. Stop it. Not touch photo composed. She. The. Quiz 1, where are the screenshots? Alright, you will be getting an email.
Screenshots.
Sure. Well, it's in a Word document, but I literally data mined every single question that was on that quiz, and I found the answer to every single one of the questions in a PowerPoint slide somewhere in
And
the
one.
slides. Yeah. If you must know, most of them came from Chapter 2 and Chapter 2 continued.
Yeah, I know.
Question 1 was Chapter 2, Question 2 was Chapter 2, Question 3 was Chapter 2, Question 4 was Chapter 3, Question 5 was Chapter 2 continued, and Chapter 6 was Chapter 2 continued. So it's 3 from Chapter 2, 1 from Chapter 3, 2 from 2 continued.
I think this midterm is gonna be based off on whatchamacallit, the solving problems.
She said that's going to be 1/5 of it.
That's a lie right there.
I highly doubt it.
Did she say she was gonna put some multiple choice on it too?
Nope. It's all
I
writing
remember she
questions.
said that.
Nope. She specifically went over it in the class. You probably weren't there that day, but yeah.
So you sent it to me?
Yep.
Okay, let's see. Refresh. I'm pretty sure she's gonna reuse some of her questions in her midterm.
Would be nice, but
That's what she did last time too, though.
true. Hmm. I don't know. I have a job interview Tuesday next week, so maybe I might be up for doing some studying together that night. Alright. And, okay, so I'm trying this other method right now to see if it gets me where I want to go. We'll see. Paste.
Let's see. No. Okay.
Copy. Paste. And then type this. Copy, paste. Oh.
Oh, I think that's what I didn't do the PWD. That's what's different.
That wasn't in the steps listed.
Yeah, that wasn't in the thing. It was just a dot dot. So I'll probably try that and see if it works.
I doubt it.
Does it work?
No,
It works?
no, it's just it's saying the directory doesn't exist.
PWD.
I feel like half the time people don't even actually test their commands. They just throw shit up there and pretend like, oh yeah, this works perfect. This PWD just gives you the full directory, but even so, like we didn't make anything in the object. Well, if you look on my screen, I didn't make anything in the object directory. I just literally
Yeah, you
made
made the folder.
I made the directory, yeah, and then I changed to that directory. But the instructions I'm looking at, which I'm sure you can see, show that like then the next step is just activate that configure, and it's like no, that's not how it works. Because if I listed this, yeah, it's an empty folder. I don't know why it expects that there would be anything in there. It doesn't make any sense.
I think that's why it's the make or whatever install thing. Let me try it out. Let's see.
Weird thing is like this has make files, but for some reason like they just don't work like they're supposed to.
I'm thinking you're supposed to have like already made files already. That's what I'm thinking.
No, because this command it's not working, even though it says that's what should be working. Like I don't get it. Dash J. Because if you look at my list, like I have plenty of make files that it could target. It's just it's not doing that.
Yeah, a lot. But do we have to do that? I thought we were just gonna have to look at some wireless thing. I think this is just for like screening C sharp and stuff.
You know what? We have to do this to access it for Windows, but
Oh yeah, fuck. Uh,
I think I don't know. I'll figure it out, and you can just start working on the research part of it.
that sounds good to me. Part
you
about
you
like
don't wanna
age.
you don't wanna suffer anymore.
No, I don't want to suffer anymore. I'm like overthinking already too. Like I'm not even. I don't think I'm thinking as much as you, but my brain is kind of fried right now.
Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, what I'm thinking right now is I wish that I could just do all three of the research and you could do all three of the implementation. That'd be real nice. But yeah. Okay, so I think we can probably end this video chat then. I'll figure it out on my own. I should have something up. But yeah, so I'd say Friday night. We should both
Rough
have
draft.
a rough draft done. So
Rough draft.
just to reiterate what we're going over, you're
Yeah.
completely doing Wireshark. I'm completely doing Snort, and then you're doing the first half, which is the research half uh,
Research. Did you want
KitMat.
me to do the introduction again? Then you do the conclusion.
Uh, yeah, yeah. So you're doing the first part of Kismat, and then I'll do the second part of Kismat. So you're doing the research
All
part, and
right.
I'm doing the implementation part of Kismat. Um, but yeah.
All right. Sounds fine to me. I'll see you tomorrow.
But yeah, so just have a rough draft done by Friday night, I'd say.
Yep.
The more you get done, the better.
Yeah,
Um,
I am. Don't worry.
yeah.
I'm not gonna wait.
Yeah. All right. Sounds good. So I'll see you tomorrow in
Yep.
class then.